At Volvo Cars, safety is not a feature, it is our purpose. A purpose driving every single innovation, like the 3-point safety belt from 1959. Since then, it has saved more than 1 million lives. But we didn't stop there. Today, safety is not only about limiting the consequences of an accident. With collision avoidance, driver understanding and advanced sensors, our cars can help prevent one before it happens, bringing us closer to our zero collisions vision. To us, safety has never been about technology. It has always been about you.